Use leftover pesticide mix for targeted perimeter spot treatments and avoid storing it for later use. After applying the PestiSmart Pest Plan, walk the perimeter and identify cracks, voids, and entry points where residual solution can be applied safely. Use a dedicated spray wand to treat these areas slowly so the material penetrates rather than runs off. If you have low volume leftover, dilute further only if the product label explicitly allows additional dilution and follow label rates precisely because over-dilution can reduce effectiveness and increase frequency of retreatment. Never store mixed pesticide solution in household containers or for future use because chemical stability and safety cannot be guaranteed and contamination risks rise with time. Pouring small amounts onto absorbent materials such as sawdust, kitty litter, or paper, then sealing that material in a plastic bag for disposal can immobilize residues when local regulations permit disposal in the trash. Always check local disposal rules first. Rinse application equipment according to the label using the triple rinse or equivalent method and neutralize rinse water per label directions before discarding rinse water to a permitted drain or waste container. If you are unsure about a disposal option, contact your local hazardous waste agency or extension office for facility-specific guidance and never mix leftover pesticides with household trash liquids or drains unless explicitly allowed. Common mistakes include storing leftover mix for later use, which can lead to reduced product efficacy and accidental exposure. The fix is to prepare only the amount you need and follow label instructions for immediate use and disposal. Another issue is rinsing equipment into yard areas where runoff can contaminate soil and water. Avoid this by performing rinsing over a contained surface and collecting rinse water for proper disposal. People also often pour leftovers down household drains or storm sewers, which can harm aquatic life and violate regulations. The right approach is to follow label disposal instructions and use local hazardous waste options or absorbent immobilization methods when permitted. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with local work opportunities and practical project guidance tailored to home exterior treatments. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experience, ask questions, and find peer advice about safe pesticide use and disposal.